How does a potato get from the field and onto your plate? Today, I'm in Othello with Bill Shibley, General Manager at Harvest Fresh, getting a behind-the-scenes look at where potatoes go after they're harvested.
These potatoes were dug this morning. They actually came out of just north of Pasco. Most of the potatoes we're packing today are going either to Walmart, to retail, or to Five Guys restaurants.
Awesome. So we want to see the whole process.
Let's go.
Okay.
So once the potatoes are washed, we start to sort them for size and pulling out rocks or any vines that may happen to be in the potatoes.
So what size are you looking for?
Well, the ideal size is somewhere around this size right here. This is too small.
Yeah.
And then this is too big because that doesn't really fit on the dinner plate very well.
It would on mine.
Well, it would. It'd just take you about 2 hours to cook it.
So the big and little and misshapen ones, they are sent to be dehydrated?
Yes, a potato like this is going to end up going to the dehydration plant. So as they go across the rollers here, the potatoes are rolled side to side so they can look for any defects or any issues.
Oh, okay.
The great thing, we have a great crew. Most of these ladies have been working for us for 20 or 30 years even.
Wow.
Honestly, sometimes I think we actually get a better pack out. We get more potatoes packed out because these ladies make fewer mistakes than the machines do. Right now, you know, occasionally you'll get some very cool looking potatoes.
Yeah, that's a good one.
But somehow we just can't sell those very well.
It's almost like a heart.
Exactly.
I heart Washington potatoes.
I heart Washington potatoes too. You know, they're perfectly good potatoes.
Yeah.
It's just that the consumer wants a pretty potato, and so that's what we're working on giving them. We're using 100% of the potatoes that come into the plant. The only thing we lose is the dirt and rocks.
So this is quite the light show that you got going on here.
Yeah, well, after the potatoes have been washed and sorted, now the best potatoes, the US number ones, are being sized.
Okay.
And these machines take a picture of each potato and determine, based on its physical size, about how much it's going to weigh.
So what's next after this?
Well, so after the potatoes have been put in the boxes or the boxes and bags will get all stacked and put on pallets and hauled out to our cold room to wait for the truck to come pick them up and take them to their final destination. About 97% by weight of what comes into this plant leaves either going to Basic American or going to the consumers direct in a grocery store or through Five Guys or something like that. They are now on this truck, the ones that are misshapen or maybe have a little ding or this or that or the other thing, and they're headed to the dehydration plant at Basic American.
And we're going to actually get to go to that plant coming up a little bit later, so I'm excited for that. Well, Bill, thank you for the tour.
Yeah.
That was awesome. And Harvest Fresh, thank you for the potatoes.
Yes, you're welcome.